Video I'm going to show you how to install MoviePy Python library on Mac, and I will also show you how to run your first program with MoviePy library. So first of all, if you don't have this library installed on your system, what you have to do, you have to install it. So either you can run pip install MoviePy, or if you want to install it on your Anaconda setup, you can simply install it using conda install MoviePy. So in my case, I have installed it using the first option, pip install MoviePy, and it is already installed. Now I'm going to show you how to run your first Python script using this library. So what we are going to do, we are going to play a video. So this is the video, and this video I'm going to play using MoviePy library. So I'm using here Jupyter. So first of all, you need to import the required functions. And from here, we are going to use one function video file clip. So in Jupyter, when you write something and if you press tab, it will show you a listing of all the functions starting from those particular characters. And here I will specify the name of video file. So my video file is stored in download folder. Now in order to play this video in Jupyter, we are going to use IPython display. And here we can set the width and simply execute it. So if you are new to Jupyter, in order to execute your code written in this cell, you can either click on here or you can simply press shift plus enter. So here we have our video and it's working properly. So thank you very much for watching.